Hello guys, today we are learning still we are in mole, the concept of mole from 3. So still we are in this question, relative formula mass. Still we are dealing that. We have learned relative formula mass and relative molecular mass, how to calculate it. So the next things that we are supposed to calculate and see is, sometimes you will be given this question, such question. So this question says that calculate the value of X given that the molar mass of a compound X tetraoxide is 100 where oxygen is 16. So this is the total RFM. If I change the other pen so that you understand everything, this value you have here, this value is the total RFM, where oxygen O we have 16, the value of oxygen is 16. So how do you calculate it? When you want to calculate such question, this is what you are supposed to do. Okay, this is what you are supposed to do. For example, we have X tetraoxide. X tetraoxide means X is an element. It's an ion. I mean it's a cation, not an ion. It's a cation. So it's reacted with oxygen. Then this is what will be formed, compound formed. So according to this compound, we can understand X is group 3 element because it's contributing valence 3 electron. Valence 3 electron. That's the only knowledge that we have. We don't know the value of X. But we know only it's group 3 element because of its contributing 3 electrons to oxygen. So how do you get now the value of X? Since we have the total molar mass or the total RFM, molar mass and RFM the same, is equal to 100. You equate it, then you rewrite the equation. So these two which we have here, these two, you put it in front. You make it coefficient. The 2 will be coefficient of X. So which means 2x. It will be 2x plus oxygen. We have 3 oxygen. We write 3 here. Also we make it coefficient of oxygen. 3 open bracket oxygen close bracket is equal to 100. So how do you do then? Then you say 2x plus, then instead of O we have the value of O here, 16. We write 16. 3 open bracket 16 close bracket is equal to 100. Then it will be 2x plus 16 times 3 is 48 if I'm not wrong, is equal to 100. Okay, when you are here, you collect like times. We have an equation 2x plus 48 plus 100. You transfer this 48 to the other side and it becomes minus. So this is what you do. This is what you do. This is what you do. You say 2x is equal to 100 minus 48. Then therefore 2x is equal to 100 minus 48 will be 52 if I'm not wrong. So you divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So x alone is equal to, when you divide this one and this one, you get it 26. But 52 divided by 2 is 26. So which element in the periodic table has an atomic number of 26? Relative atomic number of 26? Obviously you know it. It is aluminium. So aluminium has atomic number 26. So the compound is aluminium oxide. So the compound is aluminium oxide. Sometimes they ask you to identify the compound. So if they ask you to identify the compound, you can easily identify by getting the relative molecular mass. So that is the aluminium oxide. Okay, that's how you are supposed to do it. If in case such question arises up during your examination, such question can come 2 marks. So please be prepared and revise the revision books any further questions of such if you see it. Okay, thank you. We have